Hi guys, welcome to the session here. Now, why are we having this particular session is because I came across a recent RTI, right? Many of you have been worried about that whether we are having a decrease in the number of vacancies for IBPS PO means. Already the results are awaited, right? बहुत दिन हो गए, एक महीना हो गया, results out नहीं है. And now one after the other we are getting RTIs. ज़्यादातर we had good RTIs like the number of vacancies has increased, but right now we have one RTI which shows that Canara Bank, which had 2500 vacancies, so 2500 say they have trimmed it down to 750. Now this is a huge decrease, right? Very huge decrease. अगर ये सच है तो that means this will have a direct impact on the number of candidates they are going to call for the interview, because generally they call 3 times of the number of vacancies that we have, right? तो बहुत ज़्यादा difference आ जाता है. But again, whether this RTI is true or not, क्या ये सही है, whether it is a fake RTI or whether it is a legitimate RTI, let's understand. Right now this is the one that I have came across. Now इसमें कुछ चीजें हैं जो थोड़ी सी problematic है, which shows that it can be a fake RTI. I am not saying that it is absolutely a fake RTI कि है ही, but there are some things which can be fake here. Like let's say indented. What is the meaning of indented? It's intended, right? जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, English मेरी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, but you can see that there is a spelling error in here, right? Generally you will see that if it's a RTI, अगर Canara Bank इस चीज का रिप्लाई कर रहा है, they'll make sure that they don't make this error here. Similarly, the second error that you will see here is this phone number, right? Now I checked out this phone number, this does not exist, right? इसमें देखो digits भी, if you check, there are 10 digits in here and this has 11 digits, right? ये number सही है, this number is absolutely right. And if you call this number, you will see that this is somebody from Ramchandra DGM Canara Bank, right? So somebody from Canara Bank registered on the Truecaller. So this is not Ranjit Chandran but Ramchandran. It may be the same number, right? So Ramchandra DGM Canara Bank के नाम से ही आता है. So it may be a right one. But again you can see इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ है. ये phone number में थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है. Again not the one that connects through, or you can find it on the Truecaller, right? तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ भी गड़बड़ आपको दिखेगा. So there are few things which are not लाइकली लाइक कैनरा बैंक. मतलब कैनरा बैंक अगर किसी चीज़ का रिप्लाई कर रहा है तो ऐसा तो नहीं कि बहुत जल्दी में रिप्लाई कर दिया कि भाई मुझे शाम को जाना है, 5 बज गए तो रिप्लाई करके मैं भाग गया, ऐसा तो नहीं किया होगा, राइट? सो दे आर रिप्लाइंग, सो दे विल मेक श्योर दैट दे डोंट मेक दीज टाइपिंग एरर्स इन हियर. So yes, this can be one of the fake circulars that is there. But let's say by chance, अगर 1% भी chance है कि ये fake नहीं है, this is a legitimate one. अगर वाकई में there is a definite thing that yes, it has decreased. But there are few increases as well, right? जैसे BOI ने increase किया था, Bank of India had increased, right? PNB had increased the number of vacancies. So you can see that almost सब चीज़ balance out हो जाता है, right? Even if they have decreased it, it's not in our hands. I know that yes, it will have a huge impact on the number of candidates they are going to call, and yes, it is not a welcomed step. But again, NPAs increase हुए हैं, उनको losses हुए हैं. There are a lot of things that you have come across recently in Canara Bank. So again, it can happen due to that particular reason as well. But don't worry, let's see, not in our hands. I'll again say, इस चीज़ पे फोकस ना करके इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू फोकस ऑन योर इंटरव्यूज, राइट? तो इंटरव्यू पे फोकस करो, इतना अच्छा इंटरव्यू दे हम कि हमें इन सब चीज़ों का कोई फर्क ही ना पड़े, राइट? वी हैव टू बी ऑन द टॉप. एंड यस, इफ वी हैव गिवन आवर बेस्ट इन द रिटन ऑल्सो, अगर हमारा रिटन अच्छा हुआ है, सो हाउ डज इट मैटर, राइट? वी विल गो थ्रू दिस, राइट? सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर इंटरव्यूज एंड योर रिटन स्कोर्स. सो लेट्स नॉट थिंक अबाउट दिस जो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. अगर मान लो ऐसा वाकई में हुआ है, सो येस, दिस इज अ नॉट गुड स्टेप बाय दिस पर्टिकुलर बैंक कि पहले आप इसको दे दो, उसके बाद फिर यू कम आउट विद अ reduced number of vacancies, that you reduce it like this, right? Because when we have let's say interview है, हम written exam देने जा रहे हैं, so we go with a mindset कि हाँ इतनी vacancies है, so this should be the number of attempts that we have, right? Let's say if I am attempting 100 questions, अब अगर मान लो मुझे पता है कि 100 questions attempt करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है because the number of vacancies are less, तो मैं 120 अटेम्प्ट करूंगी. आई ट्राई, लेट्स सी, आई ट्राई टू फाइंड, नॉट कि मैं उसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग में जाऊंगी, बट आई ट्राई टू फाइंड, मे बी 1-2 इधर और कर लेती, ठीक है, उसमें ज़्यादा मेहनत करती, मैं और एफर्ट्स डालती. सो एक माइंडसेट हो जाता है. सो एनीवेज, नॉट इन आवर हैंड्स, आई विल अगेन से. सो इट्स बेटर टू प्रिपेयर फॉर योर इंटरव्यूज विच इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ you, right? But again, I'll say that this particular thing that you can see on the screen, this has a lot of issues in here, right? तो बहुत सारे issues हैं. ये Ilango Subramanian, I searched this person also. This shows that he is based out of Gujarat right now. I'm not really sure if he is there at the Gujarat head office right now. But अगर वो गुजरात हेड ऑफिस में थे तो 080 नहीं होना चाहिए था. गुजरात का पिन नंबर अलग होता है, right? So you can see there are some things which do not match. तो हो सकता है कुछ गड़बड़ हो यहाँ पर. बट अगेन आई विल नॉट से दैट इट इज 100% श्योर कि ये गलती है. बट एनीवेज वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. So it's better to start your preparations for your interviews, guys, right? But again, do not worry about all these things here. I'll again suggest go for what we can do right now. ठीक है, तो अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करो अपने इंटरव्यूज के लिए. We have the batches. You can talk to Aditya sir. He will help you out with it, right? So check it out. आप बिल्कुल उसको प्रिपेयर करो अच्छे से. So thank you so much, guys. I hope this video helps you out. In case you have any doubts related to anything you want to talk to me, you can talk to me over Telegram or you can mention in the comment section as well. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you again with another session. Please take care, stay safe, have a great day. Thank you.